everyone, so today I will be unboxing the March BoxyLuxe. So to have this box, you need to first have the base subscription for Boxycharm, which costs $25 per month. And then every 3 months, you have the option to upgrade to BoxyLuxe for an additional $28.99. So the month that you do get the BoxyLuxe, you will not be getting the regular base Boxycharm box. Okay, let's begin unboxing. Okay. So with every box, you do get this card on top that tells you which items you have received. And also which variation you got. So my variation is number 5. Let's begin. So the first item I see here is this Moroccan oil, and it's a protect and prevent hairspray. So that's that. The next item is this teal PMD face cleansing device. And on this chart here, the card that they've sent, you can see what prices each retail for. And this face cleanser retails for $99. And the hair oil over here, this one actually retails for $30. Okay, let's move on. The next item is this Elizabeth Roth Smooth Eyeshadow Duo Pack. So there's actually two eyeliners in here. And the price that they retail for is $40. So let's open them up. The two colors are Raven and Pearl. So let's see those colors. Okay. So these are the two colors. This first one over here seems to be a nude color. It has a little shimmer in there too. It's a light gold color, you could say. And this one over here, it's a black eyeliner. Okay, let's put them back. Okay, the next item in here is this NARS liquid lip color, and it's in Get Up, Stand Up. And this retails for $25. So let's see what the color looks like. Okay. It's a very bright fuchsia color. It's close to red, but it does have pink in it. More like fuchsia, pink, red combination. Okay. The next item a duo. It's these Gennaro Bum Bum Cream, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and the Coco Cabana Cream. And these creams retail for $15. So this is what the inside looks like. It's supposed to help with tightening. This is what this one looks like. Okay. And the next item are these two nail polishes. One's red, one is pink. And let's see how much these retail for. This Deborah Lippmann nail polish set retails for $19. So there's two colors in here. One is red. It's a pretty color. And the other one is pink. Okay. The next item here is a curling iron. Sutra Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. And this retails for $50. Let's see what it looks like. So this is good for travel, for anyone who has shorter hair. I don't know how well this would work for very long hair, but this is yellow. It's a mini cute little iron. This is what it looks like. And the last item in the box is this eyeshadow palette that is made by Boxycharm. And this retails for $39. Let's open it. So this actually does come with a mirror as well. This is what it looks like. Has shimmers and mattes. It's very colorful. This has glitter. This blue is pretty. This turquoise blue as well. You have a white matte, red, orange, brown. They're very beautiful colors. Okay. So that was the last product in this box. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.